Okay, here we go. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna make sure this is up. Fits nice. Hold this back. Hold this for me. Okay, it fits nice. I'm gonna turn it on. (380° setting. The heating light comes on and then it goes back to the room temperature, which is 66. So if I increase it, back to 66, the heating light is on. When you unplug this, it goes to 5E. I plug it back up, then my heating light comes back on, back to room temperature. This is working. No heat. Again, I unplug it, plug it back up. It's heating. I turn it off, back on. The heating light continues to turn on. No heat. Back to the room temperature. Okay.